senior 1 and 2, I'm teaching them vocational activity, see. So Seran will start doing his laundry skills, and I have been pointing out the visual support, that is the calendar where he follows the start. Okay, start Seran, put the thing, start, put the clothes in, okay, put inside, okay, go, okay, clothes inside, clothes inside, okay, clothes inside, okay. Okay, next he takes the detergent, go, soap powder, go, okay, 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 he puts it back, okay, close, put the switch on, okay, it's work, okay, you already switch it on, okay, one is finished.